Hello friends, welcome to the new session of report writing using Microsoft Word. So as of today we have discussed section break and heading styles. Now heading styles what we have discussed till today, that is the basic heading styles, and today what we are going to do is that the modifications on this heading styles, because the heading style sometimes we may need to modify according to our requirement. For example, if I say this is the heading style as of now we have applied, but in this style before this one, because this becomes my chapter, so before this number I want chapter, it's written chapter 1 about the program. That is what I need, I require. So that if I need to modify, if I try to write it on the word, and at this point we may not be able to do what we need to format it from the numbering style. Okay, and sometimes we may need to like to have a border or an underline on this heading. So that also we will see how to do that. For that, I'm going to start with the same sample document what you have used. Okay, so this is the document what you have used already. Let us take the heading style here. This is the first heading style. So this I need something like chapter 1 about the program. For that, the process is very simple. If I try to edit here, I'm not going to get anything. So that is not possible. What we need to do is that we have to go to the same numbering and bullet portion on the ribbon, where go to multi-level, put on the drop down, there we will get an option define new list style. Click on that, we will get the properties of that style what you have used. So all the details are already given. What we need to do, we need to modify here and the numbering, and this is the style what you already used. This is what we are going to customize. Then the first level, let us go for chapter space number. After that I need a colon. Okay, so after this colon, the text what you have written that will come. Press OK. Okay, so I got it, chapter 1 about the program. So everywhere wherever you are using this format, this heading style, there we'll get this chapter 2, then you get the chapter 3. So such like everywhere whenever you use, if I use a new page, for example this is enter, then conclusion, and if I'm selecting this as heading style 1, it will go to a new chapter 5. So that is done. Now for example I need to give a border after this heading style. For example, after this chapter 1, this is the heading, so there I need an underline. It's a line which is separating from the heading to this. For that, and I wish that I want to modify in such a way that this style, this heading should go to the right align. For that, what you have to do, again go to this heading style, then modify. First I am aligning the heading to the right. Okay, so that is done. Okay, then again go to modify. This all thing can be done together. This for the to convey use the or show you the differences. I have press OK before that. So then again modify. Then here on the format part, go to border. Okay, so this is the border style. Now the border is none. Now I'm going for a border all. So all borders will come around this all paragraph. It will come here. I selected this paragraph, and the length of this I'll put it a bigger line. So if I apply this, it will go to the entire. So this is not, I don't need this. Rather I need only the one part or the underline part. So I'll go to the border. Then I have already used this box. Remove this, and remove this. Okay, three sides I removed, only the bottom border I wish. Okay, so see that everywhere I am getting the border on that. So these are the things we do modify, and we can modify, and this now become 1.1, this chapter become right side, there is a line. So see how systematically things are coming. Everywhere they will have a uniform length, uniform width, uniform arrangement. So there is no chance of uh, differences in the heading styles or in the alignments and other parameters. So we don't even have to remember that what size font I have used, what font type I have used, what is the width of this line. Nothing need to modify, nothing need to worry. Just select the content and mark it as heading style. For example, if I am going this as a heading 1, select it and put heading 1, it will go as a heading 1. That will become a chapter 3. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe this channel so that it will be available to you for the entire lifelong. Anytime you can go back and check the tutorials. Thank you.